बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि हमने लेक्चर 1 एंड 2 में चैप्टर 1 द सेवियर ऑफ मैनकाइंड की ट्रांसलेशन कंप्लीट की। इंशाल्लाह आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग ग्लॉसरी, ब्लॉक क्वेश्चन और एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द ग्लॉसरी एंड द वेरी फर्स्ट वर्ड इज अनपैरेलल्ड, अनमैच्ड। dunes, sandy hills, dazzling, extremely bright, tropical, very hot, eloquence, fluent, promulgation, advent, dispensation, spreading of message, words, edge, chaos, confusion, crumble, break into pieces, solitude, the state of being alone, meditation, thinking deeply in silence, especially for religious reasons, compassion, strong feeling of sympathy for people who are suffering and a desire to help them, eradicate, remove, bestowed with, to confer as a gift, proclaim, declare, nexus, a complicated series of connection between different things, pagan, disbeliever, renounce, to state publicly that you no longer have a particular belief, demolish, destroy, dilemma, a difficult situation forced to choose one of two alternatives, theology, religious beliefs, everlasting, never ending, proselytizing, preaching, transformation, complete change in somebody, embodiment, living example. स्टूडेंट्स रिमेंबर वन थिंग कि ये जो हम लोगों ने ग्लॉसरी की है, आप लोगों को 5 मार्क्स का ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट में एक क्वेश्चन आता है। सो उसके लिए आपको तमाम ग्लॉसरी जो है वो अच्छे से याद करनी होगी। नेक्स्ट ब्लॉक क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं एंड द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेयर इज मक्का सिचुएटेड एंड द आंसर इज मक्का विच इज अबाउट 50 miles फ्रॉम द रेड सी इज सिचुएटेड इन सऊदी अरेबिया। सेकेंड ब्लॉक क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट टाइप ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन वॉज हेल्ड एट उकाज। A poetical competition was held at Ukaz every year. Third block question is what was the mission of the Rasul? Second line of paragraph number 6 is the answer of third block question. His mission was to destroy the nexus of superstitions, ignorance and disbelief and set up a noble conception of life and lead mankind to the light of faith and divine bliss. And the fourth block question is why did the pagan Arabs send a delegation to Rasul's uncle? And the answer is they sent a delegation to Rasul's kind and caring uncle Abu Talib. They told him to restrain the Rasul from preaching Allah Almighty's message or face their enmity. आई होप कि आपको चारों ब्लॉक क्वेश्चन की समझ आ गई होगी। नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं एंड द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट टाइप ऑफ लैंड अरेबिया इज। पैराग्राफ नंबर 1 की पहली लाइन इसका आंसर होगी अरेबिया इज द लैंड ऑफ अनपैरेलल्ड चार्म एंड ब्यूटी with its trackless deserts of sand dunes in the dazzling rays of a tropical sun. Second question is why was the Holy Quran sent in Arabic? And the answer is the Holy Quran was sent in Arabic as it is a comprehensive and expressive language. The Arabs spoke Arabic language fluently and ideas and feelings could be expressed eloquently in Arabic. Question number 3. For which ability were the Arabs famous? The Arabs were famous for their eloquence and remarkable memory. Question number 4. What was the condition of mankind before the Rasul? And the answer is the condition of mankind before the Rasul was miserable. Mankind stood on the verge of chaos. It seemed that their civilization had started crumbling. Question number 5 is, why did the Rasul stay in the cave of Hira? And the answer is, the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam wanted to spend most of his time in solitude and meditation. So he used to stay in the cave of Mount Hira and spend days and weeks in the remembrance of Allah Almighty. Question number 6. What was the first revelation? And the answer is, read, in the name of thy Lord who created man from a clot of congealed blood. Read, and thy Lord is most bountiful who taught the use of the pen, taught man which he knew not. Question number 7. Why did the pagan Arabs threaten the Rasul's uncle? And the answer is, the pagan Arabs threatened the Rasul's kind and caring uncle because they were infuriated at his proclamation of the oneness of Allah Almighty. They forced him either he should restrain his nephew from preaching Allah's message or face their enmity. Question number 8. What did Hazrat Aisha say about the life of the Rasul? And the answer is, Hazrat Aisha said about the life of the Rasul, his morals and character are an embodiment of the Holy Quran. आई होप कि स्टूडेंट्स आपको अच्छे से समझ आ गई होगी ग्लॉसरी, ब्लॉक क्वेश्चन और एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की. ओके क्लास, इंशाल्लाह वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.